Hi everybody, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today we will discuss class 9 maths problem, exercise 2.4, question number 5, factorize, Roman number 9. Same as the question that we solved yesterday, even here, all the process will be same, but the polynomial which is given to us, it is little bit different. First of all, we have to put the values, we have to decide it, what value should we put in place of x, and after that we will get p of x is equal to 0. We have to decide that one the first, and likewise we have to proceed it. Now, without delaying much time, let us solve this problem. Solution. Let us name this one. Let p of x is equal to, what is this? 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 16x minus 12. And then let us make x minus 3 equal with 0. If you move this minus 2 on the other side, then it will become plus 2. By putting the values of x is equal to 2 in each of this, we have to check it whether p of x is equal to 0 or not. If it is 0, then we'll call it x minus 2 as a factors of px. But if it is not equal to 0, then we'll call x minus 3 is not a factor of px. We have to decide it, or we have to check it this one now. 2 cube will give you 8, 8 times 3 will give you 24, and 2 square will give you 4, 5 times 4 will give you 20, and 16 into 2 will give you 12, 32. And after that, here it is 12. 24 plus 20, it will give you 44. Minus into minus will give you plus. 32 plus 12 will give you 44. Right after this, 44 minus 44 will give you 0. In order to denote that, just mark it or just cut it like this, and at last you will get 0. That means p of x is equal to 0. If p of x is equal to 0, then what can we say about this? Just before we did this, I just discussed this. X minus 2 is a factor of px. Now, if it is a factor of px, what is our next step? Our next step is to divide the given polynomial by this x minus 2. What are the given polynomials? It is 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 16x minus 12. X, how many times should you multiply with here in order to get 3x cubed? It is 3x squared. Now you will get 3x cubed, minus into plus will give you minus. 3 times 3 will give you 6. Here it will be x squared. Minus should be changed in plus, plus should be changed in minus. And you can cut this 2. And here, since there is plus and plus, 5 plus 6 will give you 11. 11x squared minus 16x minus 12. As we can see here, there is no sign. It means that it is plus. You have to write it plus here. X, how many times should you multiply with here in order to get this? It is 11x. It should be 11x squared minus into plus will give you minus. 2 into 11 will give you 22. Here we have x. Let us write that. You can cut this 2. Minus into plus will give you minus. 22 minus 16 will give you 6. X. Since the sign just before the greater number it is plus, no need to write any sign. Just keep it as it is. To denote it, it is plus. 6x minus 12. Here we have plus. If it is plus, then we have to write it here. Now, x, how many times should you multiply with here in order to get 6x? It is 6. Minus into plus will give you minus, and 2 times 6 will give you 12. Since it is minus, it should be plus. After that, here it is plus, it should be minus. And then you can cut these two. After that, you will get remainder as 0. Now, if the remainder that you got is 0, then you have one step that is left. It is p of x. First, you write whatever the polynomial that you got or that you have. 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 16x minus 12. What is the values of here that we have? It is x minus 2. And after this we have this one. Let us write that. 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. And after this, first of all, you have to multiply these two. If you multiply 3 and 6, how much you will get? You will get 18. 2 9 are 18. Now, by using this sign and using these values, you have to split this one into two parts. It is 2 and 9. Plus x plus 6. And x minus 2, it will be 3x squared plus 2 times x will give you 2x. 9 times x will give you 9x plus 6. Clear? And then x minus 2. Let us try to take common out of these two. It will be x. X into 3x will give you 3x squared. X into 2 will give you 2x. Here, let us take 3. 3 times 3 times 3. It will give you 9. Let us write x. 3 times 3x will give you 9x. And 3 times 2 will give you 6. And then at last, you will have to take it this one first. And after this, you will have to take x and 3. X plus 3. So this is all about the problem that will be solved today. Guys, if you have any problem, ask me in comment section. And moreover here, as we can see, this I have changed. I have put this one in that side instead of this. This doesn't mean that it should be right here for all the times. This is up to you. If you want to write this x plus 3 in here, that doesn't matter. It's okay. If you want to write this one in this, that doesn't matter. It's okay. So that's up to you. If you want to write it in any form, that's okay. That's all. Wish you all the best. Thank you.